Hey guys, so I am getting some more ear piercings today and I wanted to bring you guys with me. I right now have 3 holes on this side. I only have 2 earrings in, and then I have my first hole right here. I want to build a curated ear, which if you don't know what that is, just look up the hashtag on Instagram. It's so addictive. They're so beautiful and I just love decorated ears. So these 2 have healed. It's my second lobe, and then the third one is actually cartilage, but there are so many piercings that I want to get that I don't even know what I want to get. These earrings are from Maria Tash, and I got an email a couple of weeks ago saying that she was doing a pop-up here in LA, and I was like, sign me up. And so I'm getting my ear pierced with Maria Tash today at the pop-up I just parked, and I'm nervous / super excited. I kid you not, I have looked at hundreds of photos of ears and I still have no idea what I want to get. Things that I would consider today are tragus, forward helix, the flat, and my rook, which is like this little nook in here. I definitely don't want the conch because I know how bad that hurts. But I want something, and I do want to decorate this ear as well. Like I want to do a stacked lobe over here and some other things, but I am about to walk in right now and I'm anxious, excited, nervous. And I don't know why I'm not even afraid it's gonna hurt. I took some ibuprofen before I left the house. It probably will hurt a lot, but because these are healed, I kind of forgot how much they hurt. But these didn't give me very many problems at all. So I actually might even take out the second hoop and get a smaller one, because these 2 are different hoops. So I might actually get like another one that is this size. I think this is an 8mm and this is a 6 or 6.5, and I just like how the 6.5 like is snugger to my ear. So we're gonna go in right now. Matthew's with me today. He's helping me vlog, so we're gonna film it. Let's head inside. I'm excited. And there's an Alfred next door, so I'm gonna have to get some matcha afterwards. These are cute. A little like lotus. I like these little ones too. And the moons are cute. I like it. It's a little edgy, but I would think it's fun. And then I just sit in it here, so it's going down, and then we put a little invisible diamond. You don't think it's too basic? No, because it's double. I like the moons too. I think they're cute. That's cool. I'm thinking about getting my tragus, which is right here, the lotus, and then getting 2 diamonds like on the flat, because I literally want everything. Like I want my whole ear, but we're only gonna do 3 today, which is still a lot. But we just have to balance because the lotus is so bold. I like the moon, but it's like too much. It's like I want all the big things, but it's too much to get through.
So I think that's what.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's really pretty.
It's a really good look. Yeah.
It actually looks really gorgeous.
I really like it. I think you should move that one down and something more snug there.
This is the first one I ordered online and I didn't know what size to get. You said 8?
8mm. Yeah. Have a little snug, maybe 5mm. 5 really tight, so it's going to be much more snug.
That looks beautiful.
Look good?
Looks really good.
Now we're getting to the hard part.
I know.
Do you get to keep them this on the user?
Oh, okay.
Oh, love that.
Sweet. I do need you to line up for you. So,
Gorgeous. Oh, it's so pretty, Amanda. It's so pretty.
It just feels like it's weird to have something in your ear.
yeah.
It's so pretty.
It doesn't hurt though.
Good. How are you feeling?
Fine. It only hurt when you were pushing it through like the pressure, but
Just the pressure of it, right?
Ooh, beautiful.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. Oh man, it's gonna be so pretty. Oh my god.
Almost like that one hurt more than the other one.
It's done. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you feel pressure?
The train is going in with like a lot of pressure. Oh, I love it. Oh my god, I love it.
Oh.
Oh, well done. You did
Well
really
done
well.
for you. Doing
Yeah, you did
that.
amazing.
Any questions or problems, that's my girl. Just drop me a message. And that is the aftercare step-by-step triage to the patients again.
Okay, so
Matcha.
Chacha Matcha. Alfred just happens to be right here, which is kind of meant to be. So, got my new ear piercing, feeling cute. It doesn't hurt right now. I feel like my second lobe and my cartilage, that one hurt more afterwards. I wonder how like people feel when they're visiting and they see everyone vlogging in LA.
I know. Right, I know. See, they were so cool about it because they didn't even care. The UK people.
Oh, they were super cool. Got my matcha. Piercing is starting to hurt a little bit. Not like a lot, but a little bit. Not as bad as my other two. But I'm excited. So who would have thought from last fall I got my second lobe and then my third hole, which is cartilage. And I freaking got 3, which I still think is crazy. And I want to do more. I want to let this ear heal and then maybe I'll work on my left ear a little bit. But I want to know, Matthew, so you watching it and filming it, how did that make you feel? Because
Yeah. It was really HD and I was like really close in there, so I think I got like the best view.
You have one ear piercing.
Oh yeah, I just had my lobe pierced.
But did it make you cringe? Like, did it look like it hurt? Or
A
no?
little bit. She said the needle was out, but I mean, the needle was out, but there was still a big like barbell in your ear.
They like pierce it, and then put the bar in?
Then they put the bar in, and then they have to take the bar out and put your like, because they put the piercing at the end of the bar, and then they like sew it through.
Yeah.
So they still had to like take that out, so there was still some more pressure that was gonna come.
Were these screw on? Did you see?
They were screw on.
Okay.
They were screw on.
But I really love the way it turned out. I'm glad we moved my hoop that I got to I moved to the other ear, so now I just have that little hoop in my left first hole. But honestly, I think it was just like the anticipation. But I was so chill today, and she was really cool. Like, she guided me through it, and she was like,
she was the best.
Okay, you're gonna feel pressure. Okay, it's gonna hurt. Okay, a little bit more movement. She was freaking awesome. Like, I want her to do all of my piercings. And I've heard nothing but the best from Maria Tash and everyone that I've known, and then watching vlogs and seeing it. But it was like exceptional. I went to a tattoo place last time and they have great reviews, and the girl that did my ear was really awesome, but not like this. Like, she guided me through it and I thought that was awesome. And she was super cool, right?
Oh yeah, and the girl that like actually picked her piercings out with
she
you.
was so cute.
And she like knew exactly where to place them. It was so good because when you first got here, we had no idea what you were gonna do.
And once I showed her my style, she was like, oh girl. And she just started placing everything, because I would have never picked the lotus here.
How she like looked at the anatomy of your ear and was like, this is what we need to do to it.
I want to do my rook next. A little hoop in here would be really cute. It's always fun when you want to get it pierced, and then it's afterwards, once the pain starts setting in, you're like, what did I do?
Is it
worth
pressure or?
It's just like feeling like a little bit warm, but I keep looking at it. I really like it. I'm glad I got these like different little hoops too. They're super cute. It's hard to find that balance between like glam and edgy. I like that middle ground, like glam but still edgy. I looked at hundreds of ear pictures and I had no idea what I wanted. Amy was awesome, she was so cool, and then Sophie was my piercer. Amy's in Dubai and Sophie is in London. They were both amazing, like took really good care of me, helped me, made me feel super comfortable. The tragus didn't hurt, it was just the pressure. Like, it felt like a lot of pressure, and then that like threw me off for a minute. I feel like definitely the last piercing hurt the most, which I think was the smaller one on the, what is this part called? I just call it the flat because I saw it somewhere. I forget what it's called.
Honestly, the flat.
Honestly, we don't know. We're just gonna say flat, but it's cartilage.
Cartilage.
But she said the more you get pierced at one time, the more it hurts because your body's sending all those endorphins or whatever, and your body's like, stop hurting me. And I've heard that before, so definitely true. The last one hurt the most, but the tragus, even when she was cleaning stuff afterwards, it didn't hurt at all. It's just thick, and it was the pressure, but I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you had fun. Hopefully it wasn't too cringy if you watched the needle part. I will not be watching that because I hate needles, surprisingly. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team, and make sure your post notifications are turned on. Let me know if you guys want more vlogs, more lifestyle videos. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.